Hello and welcome to this tutorial. We're going to have a look at Inkscape and how we can make our own basic shapes. So first we go over to the menu here, draw bezier curves and straight lines, click it, and now we can start drawing. We can draw just a line, click enter, and this little guy here is called a node. If I click it again I can continue this shape, and instead of just drawing a line, I can hold down my left mouse button, and now I can pull it and create a shape and click enter. And now I can go up here if I want to edit it. I click up here, edit nodes, edit paths by nodes, and I go back, and now there's a little handle I can pull, and if I double click on the path I can create new nodes. I can also select two nodes and go up to the top menu, insert new node into selected segments, and puts it right here. Didn't put it in the middle as I expected, but it works. There, this one went somewhat into the middle. And we can also delete a node up here at the top menu, and we can just a reminder, the little squares are called nodes, and the lines are called the path. And if I click on a node and go up to top menu again, I can break a path at selected nodes. There we go. And as you can see, they're still part of the same object, but they're separated. And that's it for now. Bye.